Next one is the pseudo order reaction. What is a pseudo order reaction? Order of reaction, molecularity of reaction may be the different, that is we call the pseudo order reaction. Now look at here. Right, next one point. For example, see here in that reaction, their involvement of the reactants. If one reactant maybe excess amount is there, one of the reactant maybe the excess amount in that reaction, then the other. One is excess amount is there, then the other. That excess amount of the reactant, it's not influenced by the rate equation. That which one that which is the more excess of amount is there in the reaction, that reactant does not influence rate equation. Which is influence, which is less there, that is only to influence the rate equation. Are you understand? Right, first of all, see here I give the one example, pseudo order. Pseudo order reaction. Pseudo order reaction means rate of, what is that? Order of reaction, order of reaction and molecularity, molecularity of reaction. Same or different? Different. So that is we call the pseudo order reaction. Clear? Pseudo order reaction means order of reaction and molecularity of reaction different, is different. Clear? Right. What is the first pseudo first order reaction? Pseudo first order reaction. See here, in that reaction, already I said that no. What is that? In that reaction, one reactant is excess amount, one reactant is the excess amount, then the other. Clear? That not influence rate equation, which is less there, that is influence the rate equation. Clear? I go to the definition, pseudo first order reaction. Pseudo first order reaction. In the reaction, two or more than two. Two or more than two reactants participating in the reaction. That of the reaction, order of reaction is the one. Order of reaction is the one. If in the reaction maybe the participating more than two reactants, of that order of reaction is the one. Are you understanding or not? If in the reaction participating of more than two or more than two reactants, of that order of reaction is the one. That is called the pseudo order reaction. Clear? Pseudo first order reaction means in the reaction maybe the participating two or more than two reactants, that reactions of the order of reaction is the one. If one is there, that is the pseudo order. इससे पहले क्या है? Order of reaction, molecularity of reaction, both are same. Is that clear? Now if it is a both are same is there now, that is the first order, second order, third order. But here what is going there? Molecularity different, order is different. Clear? Right, now see here. Have take the, this is the ester, ethyl methyl ester. Clear? When in the condition of hydrolysis, acidic hydrolysis, in the presence of acidic hydrolysis, we get the carboxylic acid along with ethyl alcohol. Clear? We get carboxylic acid and ethyl alcohol. When ester is hydrolysis in the presence of acidic condition, we get the carboxylic acid and alcohol. What is the pseudo order reaction means? In the reaction, order of reaction and molecularity of reaction is different. What is the first pseudo first order reaction? First pseudo first order reaction. In the reaction, maybe the reactants are two or more than two. Of that reactions of the order of reaction is one. Is that clear? That reaction we call the pseudo first order reaction. Order is 1 there. If in the involvement of two reactants of that reaction, order is the 1. Look at here, this is the ester and this is the water. Here water is the excess amount. So it is not influence the rate equation. Is that clear? It is not influence the rate equation, but only to influence the ester only. Yes or no? This is ester no. Now rate means dx by dt, that is equal to k1. Only influence the only one reactant which is less there in the reaction. Which of the reactant is less amount is there. So the rate of equation is to depend on that only. Which is more there, it's not depend there. The rate of reaction does not depend on the which is more excess amount of in the reaction, but only to depend on less amount of the reactant. समझ में आ रहा? Right now here we not take the water molecule, only we have take ester. That power 1. So order of reaction, what is that? First power of the concentration of term now. So order is the 1. But molecularity 2. Molecularity means in the reaction, in the slow step, how many number of ions or molecules are participating there in the rate determining step. That is the molecularity of reaction. But here in the reaction, there is involvement of ester along with the water. Both are two reacting there. Together formation of alcohol and ester. But here pseudo order reaction, here water molecule is excess amount there, but that not influence the rate equation. Ester only to influence the rate reaction. So we have take the order of reaction is a 1. But molecularity is a 2. The two reactants are participating in this reaction. Yes or no? One is the ester, one is the water. समझ में आ रहा है ना? Right now, so molecularity is the molecularity. What is that molecularity? 2. So this like of reaction we call the pseudo first order reaction. Pseudo first order reaction means in which reaction two or more than two reactants to maybe the participating in the reaction. That of the reaction order is the 1. But molecularity is 2. This is clear? Order is the 1. Molecularity is a 2. So this like of reaction we call the pseudo first order reaction. समझ में आया ना? Right. I will go for the next example. This is the first example. Maybe I take the sucrose. What is the sucrose formula? C12 H22 O11. This is a sucrose now. Right now here be same. It is also to under the hydrolysis, the forming of glucose. This is the excess amount. Now what will we get here? Glucose C6 H12 O6. How many we get here? How many moles we get? 2 moles. Clear? So here excess amount which of that? Water molecule. The rate of reaction depends only which is less amount there, that one. So dx by dt, that is equal to k1. What is that? C12 H22 O11 power 1. Order of reaction? Order equal to 1. Molecularity equal to 2. So this like of a reaction we call the pseudo order reaction and pseudo first order reaction. समझ में है ना? Okay, right.